Hello friends, this is Sachin here. I am making this video to help people who want to load values from your datasheet into a combo box, right? So let's start. For this tutorial I have made a dummy dataset. It has different values in different rows. It has 7 rows, and there are in total 45 number of rows, 7 columns, 45 rows. So I'll go to the code window, insert a user form and a combo box and a button. Whenever we click that button, it will load our combo box with values from one of these columns, right? So let's go to the code window. Okay, Alt F11 is the shortcut key to go to the code window here. So let me go and insert a user form. On this user form I will have a combo box. In this combo box I will load the values from one of these columns. Okay, this is the button. When I press this button, my combo box will get loaded. This is what I'll be building. So let me just go to the button code here. So it now whenever we click a button, there is an event happens. So at the time when this particular event happens, command button one dot underscore click, our codes whatever right below will run, right? So I will define few variables here. Then total row as integer, I'll define I as integer. Okay, my total row will have values from this dataset, right? Total row as an integer will hold an integer value of the total value under the total row will be the last row of my dataset, that is 45. Okay, so let me just go to the window. Let me assign value 45 to variable total row. Total underscore rows is equal to sheet1 dot cells. Row is rows. I'll just explain you what does that mean. Let me just quickly write down the code and excel up dot row. Okay, let me show you what it does. Here I'm going to sheet 1. Sheet 1 is where my data lies. Data sheet 1. And then I'm going to a particular cell where row number is this and column number is this. So row number is this. What is it? It returns an integer which gives you the last cell on your worksheet. So in worksheet sheet 1, whatever is the last cell, it will give me that number. So in this case, if you go at extreme bottom using control arrow key down, this is the last cell, 1048576 is the row number of the last cell, right? So this gives you the last cell row in column 3. So basically it refers to this particular cell, row number, column number 3, row number this, and Excel up. So what I'm doing is I'm doing control arrow key up. So when I click control arrow key up, it actually takes me to the last cell of column C where my data ends. Okay, then dot row, then I take the row number of this particular cell. So row number for this cell is 45. So in short, this entire expression here puts value 45 into my variable total underscore rows. Now next is I'll run a for loop. I is equal to 2 to total underscore rows, and then next I, why I'm starting a loop from value 2? Because if you go to the data set, this is the heading. The first row of my data sheet contains the heading. I don't want to load heading. What I want to load is values. So my values start from row number 2, okay, and it ends at row number 45. So I have run a loop. It will start from row number 2 and ends at row number total underscore row, which is the last row of my data set. Let me just write the code. So to load values into the combo box, I'll write combo box 1, that is name of my combo box, dot add item, and then put a space and just write the value of the cell, that is cells row number I, column number 3, dot value. Now with this code my value will get added. So let me just show you. Then I quickly then I will quickly run you through the entire codes. I can't speak out quickly, that's funny. Anyway, let's start. Let me just run this code here. Now if you see, there is nothing in the combo box, right? When I click this button, values get loaded up. Okay, cool. So let me just run you through the entire code once again. This is the code. So I defined two variables here. That one variable is total underscore row, which will hold the value. Let me just put some value here, say again let me put James. Okay, when I put James here, so it will assign value to the total row as 46 instead of 45 now, because last cell value is 46. Okay, this is what my total rows hold. Then I'll take a counter I. That counter counts from number 2 to 46. Basically this code will run 2 to 46, that is in total 45 times this code will run. Then it when I is 2, it will take value from cells. You can also write sheet 1 dot cells, but yes, because active sheet is sheet 1 only, so it will not make any difference. So cells I is 2, column is 3. So row number 2, column number 3, it will add the value. Then it will go to the code next I. Next I will increment the value of I by 1. So next time when it go up, it will run this code again with I equal to 3. So third row, third column, next time next I, it will increment value of I by 1 once again. It will be value I equal to 4, column number 3. So I equal to 4, so I equal to 2, column number 3, this I equal to 3, column number 3, I equal to 4, column number 3. So it will individually take these values from these sheets and puts them into the combo box and load the combo box. So that's all about it. So in next tutorial I'll be showing you how to get only the unique values into the combo box instead of getting, say, Jordan once here, second time here. So I don't want only one Jordan to be loaded up into the combo box. That I'll explain in my next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this. Please subscribe, comment, like this video, and put your questions below in case you have any. Thank you so much for watching this.